Getting myself a replacement smart card. That's it cheaper to travel upon the JTC buses. Yeah, see that? See the lot? When you use the card. So you learn to save money. Hi! My new favorite phrase, or not favorite, but my new phrase is, I'm tired. Since I started working a 9 to 5, I'm just tired. I'm always tired. Let's talk about what the title says. Okay, we're gonna jump right into it. I'm tired and I'm broke. I can't afford food. Food is expensive in Jamaica. Yes, I did the video about how I brought home some food items, but I still need to buy other things like ground provision because I don't eat rice anymore. So yam, sweet potato, Irish potatoes, tomatoes, onion, all those things that you can't bring in a barrel. And let me tell you what happened to me today. Why did a lady have to give me $50 to buy my sweet potato? I had bought some stuff. I'm going to show you what I bought. So watch this. Alright, I'm gonna bring things in the kitchen here. I'm going to show you what I have got. 3 plantains, quarter pound of grape, some carrots, nutmeg, ginger, one apple. I don't really like them apple, but the lady have $100 for me, so I just cut off a piece. Onion, a buckle of molasses. The cereal never got a molasses in there, so then we need the bottom. Some sweet potatoes, some Irish potatoes, some okra, pimento, and June plum to make juice. All of this costed $2,500. That's what, like $20 for this. Things in my market was so expensive. I bought the okra for $100 a dozen, like $1, and then further down the line, me hear $100 for 2 dozen. I was so upset, but everything else me did get a good look of bargain. I think the lady did also kind of get me with the planting, because she said 400 or 450, 400 for the tree. That's not bad then, because I pay $150 and $200 for planting. So I'm gonna make some carrot juice with June plum and ginger. You know that nice. Yes, I already had some stuff in the fridge, so this is what I got. Not a lot for 2005, but so you go, it will last me for at least 1-2 weeks. Alright, so those are the things that I bought today, and that came up to like $20, 2,500 Jamaican dollars, right? At the end of purchasing, I actually purchased some things that I did not plan on buying, like molasses. I saw the molasses and I was like, I had to get it because it's been a while. If you have never tried molasses and lasco, those are in Jamaica, it's a powdered milk, and make it well cool. Try it nice, me I tell you, nice. And the molasses is good for you. It's good to brown your meat, so much better than the browning as well. So I got that. And I also saw coconut jelly for $200 and I bought one. So those were not in my plans. I was thirsty after having my tasty patty. So it's my little treat to myself. Each time I go to the market, I treat myself with a patty and a cocoa bread. This time I got chicken instead of beef. So this is me eating my patty. And of course, town is always festive. So yeah, did that. And ended up having $150 left. And I was like, I can't get sweet potato for that. That's right. If you're in Jamaica, you know. If you've left Jamaica, you must be thinking, how can she not get a pound of sweet potato for $150? No, $250, $300. That's like $2 and $2.50 per pound. So I stopped at a stall and I asked the lady how much it was for her sweet potato. She said 200. I was like, okay, let me try my luck. So I had the 150 separate and apart from my taxi fare, because I already showed you guys how I have the smart card to use on the bus, and that's once you swipe that, you're good to go. So I said to the lady, I don't have a 200, however you can just give me a small sweet potato. She said, how much you have? Was a big woman, so I thought she was gonna be nice. Wishful thinking. I said 150 and she jumped on me same time. She said, lady, me can't give me something, me can't give me sweet potato for 150. Same time another lady was standing beside me and she just squeezed me $50. She did it conspicuously, but I out loud said thank you, because I didn't want the lady to think that I had the money. I was trying to trick her. So I said, God bless you, thank you so much. I said, see, I got the $50, can you give me a pound of sweet potato? The struggles. I don't like this life. I like it. What about those who are working less than what teachers are getting paid? And it's not like you are spending more than you need to spend. I'm not talking about persons who go above and beyond their expenditures. I'm not talking about persons who live at KFC and all those good things. Just necessities like insurance, transportation. I do not spend more than I need to, and I can't afford it. What about people who have children? Car loans, mortgages, rent. I don't pay rent. What? How people afford this? I don't know. This is not my portion in Jesus' name. And the hottest thing about it is that on top of that, you are getting so many things to do. So you think you just go and write lesson plans and curriculum plans and scope of work, and no, every minute or every other day you get some form of rules and regulation that you need to adhere to. And because I'm also a homeroom teacher, and I'm not saying that you shouldn't have those things, but I'm saying it is putting extra strain on teachers because we're not being compensated. The job now match up with the pay. You understand what I'm saying? The standard of living for all that you have to be doing, separate and apart from dealing with people in discipline. Children, you're actually being trained. If you want to leave and teach overseas, whether it's in the UK, the US, or any other country that wants teachers, Canada, if you plan to leave, yes, you will need to do these things when you go to international schools. So it's good practice, right? Good practice. Practice what you're going to be doing, but you're going to be paid for it. And yes, the cost of living might also be high in those countries, but you can afford to live it. They can afford a different standard of life, right? And not only that, because of our weak dollar, if the money is sent back to Jamaica, you can save a little thing and see the money. Because if you spend all the money there where you are, then you spend all the money. But when you send, but we're gonna go into all of that in videos coming up. I'm just saying, this is not soft life. See you in the next video.